Hey guys, in a previous video, I showed you how to change the orientation of this text block, which was right over here under Style and Text Orientation. Now, let's try making a text gradient. Okay, so for this to really show up, I'm going to make that bold. And it looks like it might already be. No. Okay, let's make this really jump out. Okay, here under font weight, let's do ultra bold. Oh, it's already about as bold as it's going to get. Okay, that's cool. So let's go over here to enable text gradient and click that on. Don't be afraid because that went away because we're going to add the colors in now. So I'm going to choose like a bright green and oops. And if I click on this one, do a red. So it's really crazy. Oh gosh, I keep clicking it off. Okay, and you can see how that comes out. It's really a cool look. I'm even going to try to change the text. Let's see here. Font family. Um, I'm gonna try impact. There we go. That's a really nice thick font. Yeah, okay. And I'm going to make it bigger. Maybe I'm going to move her over just a little bit. See how great this is? You can play with these settings and just so that's nice and legible there. Okay, and there we go. Really cool look to this. And this is really going to pop on a page. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, cool. Okay, everybody, thanks. And make some gradients. Bye.